guys, this is our A3 DTF oven and let me show you how it works. First of all, you're going to switch it on by the sides and then you're going to move forward to your temperatures. This is your temperature button. We normally go for 170, but you can make it higher or lower. As soon as you're happy, you press temp again for it to start going up. Then you will have your time. Same, you will go higher or lower. We normally go for 10 seconds. As soon as you're happy with the time, you press time. Then you just wait for it to go to the correct temperature. It will start beeping. Okay, so the machine is ready to put in your print for baking. As soon as you have put in your picture, you press your start button. It will start counting down. Perfect, and there's your beep. It means it is ready. You switch it off. And there's your complete picture ready to be pressed.